Is your check engine light on and showing the P0347 engine code? Before replacing the camshaft position sensor, there are a few simple things you should check first. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the code, from advanced diagnostics to simple DIY checks, so you can find the real problem and potentially save hundreds of dollars in unnecessary repairs. First, what exactly is the P0347 code? It means the ECM detected a low voltage signal from the camshaft position sensor circuit on Bank 2. You may notice a few different symptoms when this code appears. One of the first symptoms is the check engine light. The engine control module detects a problem with the camshaft position sensor circuit and turns on the check engine light to alert the driver. The next common symptoms is engine is hard to start. A faulty camshaft position sensor can make it difficult for the engine to start because the computer cannot determine the correct ignition and fuel timing. Third symptom, rough idle. The engine may idle roughly or unevenly due to incorrect timing signals affecting the combustion process. Next symptoms is poor acceleration. The vehicle may feel sluggish or hesitate during acceleration because the engine isn't receiving accurate camshaft position data. Fifth symptom, engine misfires. Incorrect camshaft timing information can cause one or more cylinders to misfire, resulting in rough engine operation and reduced performance. Now, let's talk about the most common reason this code appears. Faulty camshaft position sensor. This is the most common cause. The sensor can wear out over time. Damaged wiring or connector, broken wires, corrosion, or loose connections can interrupt the sensor signal. Timing belt or timing chain problem. If the engine timing is off, the sensor readings become incorrect. Weak battery or charging system issue. Low voltage can cause sensor communication problems. Engine control module ECM issue. In rare cases, the engine computer itself may have a fault. To simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Method of the crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft position sensor is typically located on the lower front side of the engine. In most vehicles, it's mounted near the timing cover. Start by carefully removing the crankshaft position sensor from the engine. Once it's out, inspect it closely for signs of oil, dirt, or contamination caused by leaks from nearby engine components. Next, use a digital multimeter to perform a resistance test on the sensor. Before testing, check your vehicle's service manual or repair guide for the correct resistance specification, as the values can vary depending on the make and model. If the multimeter shows no resistance or an out-of-spec reading, the crankshaft position sensor is likely defective and should be replaced. Check for the old O-ring. Remove it if needed, then install the new sensor securely. Method B, the camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor is located in the valve cover near the top of the engine, or they can be located at the front or rear of the cylinder head. First, carefully remove the camshaft position sensor from the engine. Inspect the sensor for oil, dirt, or contamination caused by leaks from nearby engine components. Next, use a digital multimeter to test the sensor's resistance and compare the reading with the specification listed in your vehicle's service manual. If the sensor shows no reading or falls outside the recommended range, it is likely faulty and should be replaced. Check for the old O-ring. Remove it if needed, then install the new camshaft position sensor securely. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the error code. After fixing the issue, use your OBD2 scanner to clear the code. Then drive the car for a few minutes to make sure the check engine light does not come back. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.